In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Legaliser feature in version 3.8.1 of ContentAgent. This new option allows users to apply an accurate and comprehensive video legalization toolset to clips being transcoded as part of their workflows. Having access to a fully configurable legaliser as part of your workflow arsenal can be a real benefit and help to stave off issues when it comes to deliverables. In ContentAgent 3.8.1, such a tool can be found in the Platinum node. Before we look at this, let's take a moment to think about what advantages such an option provides. In our busy world of editing and post-production, we need to ensure that any final deliverable conforms to the different broadcast regulations that exist around the world. You may already be aware of these if you're currently producing file-based deliverables and are utilising quality control software. Part of the QC process is to check whether the video signal in the file conforms to the template standard being used, or more accurately, if it falls within the acceptable limits of a particular specification or is legal. Video can become illegal for various reasons. Maybe the original source itself was captured incorrectly, or as part of the editing, grading or visual effects process, values were manipulated that caused the file to be considered illegal. Depending on the region, delivering a file to a broadcaster that is considered illegal can be costly. People deal with this in different ways. Some take advantage of software effects in editorial packages that apply a degree of legalization. Others rely on some of the tools in QC products that attempt to fix the video as part of the quality control process. Neither is really ideal, as they can add additional rendering time to the whole process or re-encode the file to try and fix the issue, as well as having very limited settings. In ContentAgent, you can now apply industry standard legalization templates, as well as making your own custom ones as part of the deliverable creation. In this very simple QC workflow, the editorial final will get submitted to the job. The Platinum node is going to create the required delivery file format, which then gets passed on to the QC node. We'd like to make sure that the Platinum node applies legalization as part of the transcode process. Editing the Platinum template, we'll select the new Gamut tab. To activate the option, we'll check the legalization box. The legalizer comes pre-configured with a set of tested industry standard templates that should be your initial go-to choice. To access these, simply click in the presets drop-down and select the desired setting. As you can see, there are a wide range of defaults for both EBU and NTSC regions. Within these, there are other variations of how the legalization is performed. Once you've chosen one, click Apply and the template settings get implemented. As you can see, the legalizer is fully configurable with settings for legalization modes, thresholds, clipping points, as well as knee and compression options for those times where you may need to create a custom profile. However, it should be said that it's recommended that you have experience in using these settings or are following recommendations given to you by the broadcaster. If you do make a custom user template, you can then save this alongside the defaults. As we are working with a file-based software legalizer, there are some really unique things that can be accomplished, like delaying the start of the legalizer by a certain amount of frames so as to not affect lineup charts. These often contain values which would normally be considered illegal as part of their standard. The new Legaliser feature in ContentAgent is an integral tool for anyone providing broadcast deliverables. It can save you time and make the generation of compliant video for multiple markets available as part of your QC deliveries workflow.